Hello guys, should we try Numberblock One? Oh, amazing! To begin, you will need a piece of paper and some pen to draw Numberblock One. So, first of all, put in pen and pencils. So let's start. For drawing, we need a different colors and pencil and chalk. So let's start. First of all, four side draw, one straight line cross. No, a line draw, a line peg side, and one more side. And when four line complete, our box complete. So next step is, we need tattoo arms and legs using double black pencils. Shape a bit like it's square. One arms, and next we need legs, one legs and two legs. And then two legs. No, really make this like one we needed to. Draw her face. One has a big round eyes. And big circle draw. No, and it's the third circle in small size draw. A little bit. Now we draw a smile face. In middle line, center of the mouth. Exacting bit. It's a little color draw. First of all, we color draw red. We draw carefully. Wow, the we draw arms color with brown color. So carefully draw. The next step we draw legs with sky blue color and mouth, and we want to different shape. Smile face with green color. So nice. But brown colors and parrots green color.
No, we need the one. We draw first of all one, and then we colored with black pencils.
So our Numberblock One complete. Bye bye.